Hi there, my name's Amelia and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way of making a bug box. So bug box is a really fab way of bringing wildlife into your garden and providing a home for wildlife. So all you need today is an old bottle. So I'm using an old plastic bottle that I've cut the lid off. If you don't have a plastic bottle, you can use a plant pot or take some twine and just use your twine to tie it around your lengths of bamboo stick, which is another thing that you'll need. So these are just things that I've had lying around my garden, so bits of bamboo, bits of twig from when I've done the gardening that I've just cut down to size. And what we're going to do is take these twigs and simply just pop them in your bottle. It really is that easy. So I'm not going to use anything to hold it in place. I'm just going to use lots of them so that they'll hold each other in place. So bamboo is a particularly good one for bees. So solitary bees will lay their eggs in the bamboo. It's also really good for things like ladybirds that overwinter in these places. They just need somewhere to shelter. So just pop these in. Be a bit fiddly just to make sure you've got enough in there just to keep it all wedged in place. I think I'm almost there. Once you feel like it's sufficiently full, you're done. So there we go, one final push, make sure it's all sturdy. And that's it, really easy. Once you've done this, pop it on a sunny wall. It's one of the best places that bees will come. As you can see behind me, I've got quite a lot of bug boxes which are full of solitary bees. So I'm just going to place this in with them, just here, and hope that the bees will come. I hope you enjoyed watching.